Morning, guys. It's Signal Centre here. It's the 26th of November. Just myself and Ian at the minute. Steve, I'm not sure he's up.
I think we've seen some movement somewhere,
Some movement.
but here he
Oh,
is.
here he is. Steve,
Oh.
you're alive, so you're straight into the thick of it, mate.
He's ignoring you.
Nicely.
And talking to himself.
Okay, so Steve, how are you, mate?
Oh, a bit tired.
Yeah,
Thanks, mate.
yeah. Have you got anything on the bottom half, or you just turned up in a t-shirt last minute?
Yeah, you know it.
Naked
Joys of
trader.
working from home, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, just have a quick roundup while you sort yourself out, Steve, with the Guns Ahead challenge yesterday.
Yeah.
You had a small winner on the trade that you
Gold.
yes.
Two
That's what I meant
ticks
to
or
say.
something.
Yeah, a couple of ticks. So nothing particularly exciting there, unfortunately. I had a small, well, half an hour loser, and Ian, you were
I
stopped out
lost
on
an
cable.
R. Yeah.
Get in there. Sorry.
Oh, so
Yeah, I'm still bringing up the
Sportsman
rear
of
in
the
the
year competition.
snail coming over the line. Can't
Right, when
share
we
my
go
screen
live.
for some reason.
We are live.
I'm joking.
Then it's your call because
No, you can't say. Oh, because I'm
go on.
winner.
It's your
Straight
honour,
in.
mate. So
Oh,
go
right.
straight in with what you.
Snooze you lose, Stevie. Snooze you lose.
All right. Okay.
Unless you want me to go first.
Oh no, I'm not going to give up the opportunity of putting all the pressure on you. Right, I'll just run through the normal ones. Obviously, gold had that little bit of a sell-off overnight as well. It's pushing lower. Still think that's going lower, but it's right mid-range. And silver, obviously, bottom of this channel tested. It's held. We're just waiting for a break there. Oil, again, get rid of that one. I'm looking to sell it up here at 58.75. So not really. That's where we're looking. Oil. Probably still in this bullish channel, moving higher. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do today. I'm looking on an intraday basis to sell oil at 58.75. It's currently trading 57.91, and it still feels like it's pushing higher. Equity is higher as well, so I'm going to go long in this. I'm going to have a 50-point stop on it, so 57.41, and I'm going to go for 58.91 as a target. This channel's a lot higher than that. It's up at 61.52, so this downward trending resistance line. I think this is just going to continue to push higher. You still got Iran-US oil wars, and you've got the US-China trade wars. So a little bit of flight to quality as well. That's me done.
Cool.
Where's the round of applause? I thought I'd get a round of applause.
I was just confused. I thought you said you were going to sell it to start with.
No, intraday I'm selling it. So if it gets up to this 58.75 area, I'm looking to sell it. But I think it's going there. So my gun to the head trade, as I'm forced to make a trade right now, is buying it at 57.91.
Cool.
Gotcha.
Ian, what are you looking at, mate?
Aussie yen.
Ooh.
Is that your Thanksgiving dinner behind you?
Going for my first Christmas lunch today.
Are you?
Well, yeah, but I've not been boozing, so I've not had a drink for 10 days.
So then it's all going to go horribly wrong.
I didn't see your holiday in the calendar either, so.
Yeah.
I've put a half day in there. Half day Charlie, I am. I don't take full days, just half days. I get double the amount of holidays then. Aussie yen. I still think stocks are going to come lower, but they're very.
See the Nasdaq overnight. Jesus Christ! I got long of that a little bit yesterday, and even after it rallied from the open, it went 40 points higher. And I got long around there. Again. Yeah, and then overnight, it's I think the high yesterday was about 70, got up to 20.
84.15 is the high on yesterday.
84.15. I mean, that's a big spike higher. So that's a good one to watch. That'll leave a little bit of a shooting star if it doesn't manage to regain that ground this afternoon.
I'm going to say yen crosses have all seen a decent rally overnight and then a really good rejection. And again, sort of inverted hammers, dojis on a lot of charts. So that's one of the reasons I'm looking at Aussie yen. So don't know what to make of this really. It could be a wedge, could be anything. But what I do know is we've had a long period of consolidation. So we've had some inside days, inside Arami candles, 6 of them. So just over a week, highlighting indecision. Aussie yen has a tendency to move lower with stock indices. I think this is a really interesting support level around here, 72.14, 72 the figure. And if we go to this chart, which is the 4-hour chart, it looks like a pendant or a flag. And the measured move target is exactly the same, 72.05. So I'm going to get short with a stop just above the trend of higher lows. So short at 73.79. I'm looking for 72 the figure. Stop at 72.24.
No.
Why? 74.24. Sorry.
Yes.
So
See, I was actually listening.
yeah. So about 4 to 1, but I don't think you'll get that today. But
You never know.
You never know. So that's my
Okay.
trade of the day.
Good stuff. Right, let's have a look at what I've got.
I should write it all down before Steve tries to nick pips out of me.
Right,
I
it's not
just
letting me
saved you.
share
I've
my
saved your
screen.
bacon. Your stop was the other side of your profit take. You could have been down 2 million R.
Right, I'm having some computer issues. Yeah, I can't share my screen.
Oh, well,
I'll
I've
just
stopped
tell
sharing.
us.
All right, Steve, can you just get a chart for me on the DAX, the hour? Sorry, the FTSE on the hourly. There's a few bits I was looking at today. I've not had much luck with the old indices of late.
No, a few people have been talking on Twitter. I'll see.
You get the FTSE for me as well. UK 100.
Oof.
Yeah.
Oh,
So it's been toying with me for these last few days, and now it's just posted this candle just as I'm about to.
got 6
put the
minutes
trade
until it forms.
Well, if
And
you look at the 4-hour as well.
yeah.
Well, get on with it if I was you.
Quick. Oh, I like that. That's a lovely, one of my favourite shooting stars.
All
Look
right,
at
there's
that.
a fib on there as well.
Look at
So
what happened
I'm
last
gonna have
time.
to sell that, I think.
Hurry up.
Yeah, sell it now. Okay, sell it right now. We'll stop at
Tell you what, I'm going to sell it on my trading account now as well.
74.27, just above the high of that candle on the 4-hour. I'm going to target a move down to 72.75. So it's at 73.91 at the minute.
Yeah, I've just got in. I like that one, Joe.
Do you think,
Kate?
Do you think sterling dollar higher, Joe, or do you reckon that's just just going to be pushed naturally because stocks are going to come off, or do you think it's anything correlated to cable? Do you think it's going to go up?
It is correlated because of obviously all the companies in the UK 100 that are made up of US stocks, but
Most of them, yeah, the majority of the big ones have their profits.
It's not so
in
much
dollars.
the majority. It's a low number of them, but it's the likes of HSBC,
Yeah, the big
BP,
numbers,
Shell, Glaxo's. They have a massive weighting in the index and have that huge pull. So
a nice move low in sterling yen overnight, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I was looking also at Euro CAD was the other idea I was looking at, but I'll save that one, I guess. That candle's just looks too interesting not to have a crack at, I think, this morning.
What's Euro CAD going on in there?
Just trending higher in the short term, and looks like it's sort of bottoming out a little bit, rounding bottom.
Yeah.
I think that possibly pushes a bit higher in the short term.
Yeah, round here. Almost
so yeah, going to go with the FTSE though, just because I've got to be right at some stage on it.
Yeah, I mean,
I think.
the FTSE and DAX are sort of like seem to sort of be rebelling against the US stocks. Yesterday, they were really forging higher, the US stocks, and DAX didn't really want to know about it. I was watching it closely yesterday.
Well, we're short on DAX on our intraday analysis
Already?
Yeah, really early I got on that.
Nice. And where's the stop on that?
Stop on that is at 13,330.
Okay, nice.
So above those highs.
So you think the gold indices correlation is going to go out the window then for a little bit? You think gold's just going to react with the dollar mainly? Gold lower.
It feels like it,
Gold's moving higher with the stocks
yeah,
going lower.
yeah. I mean, this morning, even
That
yesterday,
should
it
mean
sort
the turnaround in the dollar index, then, shouldn't it? Really, but I can't see that at the moment.
yeah, I think gold is sort of like everyone's bitch, really. It's sort of it'll be the dollar bitch, and then it'll be the stock bitch. So
Hit a 2-month low yesterday on the back of stocks hitting all-time highs. Is that right on gold?
no, it's 1445 is the
Mid-range,
low.
isn't
Sorry,
it?
a 2-week low. Sorry.
Sorry, yeah, 2 weeks, yeah. Just and that was really felt. Was it overnight or was it? Yeah, early this morning, it sort of like posted that bullish hammer there on the 60-minute chart, and again, just formed a bullish engulfing or bullish outside bar here. So yeah,
There's a
when I was
fib,
short of it yesterday, it didn't feel right.
there's a fib level at 1451, 161.8% extension.
Yeah,
That
1451.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you got this. This is a 61.8 as well. The
Yeah.
1445 is a very key key
There's been a
support
bit
level.
of chat
Okay.
about cryptocurrencies.
Sorry, 38.2%.
Yeah,
No
which
interest.
obviously got absolutely smashed.
Yeah.
Bit of support potentially coming in on Bitcoin around 6,500. Don't know if it's going to last. I certainly don't think it's the end of the selling there. So I think it's just a case of selling into strength at the minute.
Yeah, that's same as me. I did that in the video chat yesterday, selling into strength in Bitcoin. But you just get them sort of like mad moves that just they're all almost forced moves, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Data wise today, what have we got out? Anything of note? We got
Not really.
US consumer confidence at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, got RBA governor speaking around about 9 o'clock, Australia. They've got a barrage of US figures, haven't we? But new home sales, consumer confidence, like you say.
Yeah, 3 o'clock, and
It's
then
all a bit.
Fed's Brainard to discuss Fed policy framework review at 6 o'clock.
I guess it'll all be in holiday mode in the US tomorrow, then waiting for Thanksgiving on Thursday, and then most of them take the Friday off as well, don't they?
Wednesday's GDP US, and then it's all going to be a bit of a snooze, isn't it? Maybe, but it's normally when you don't expect anything to happen, it does. So
yeah, that may be the case.
Mm.
Okay, guys, let's round it up there then, and good luck with your trades, and we'll speak again tomorrow.
Yeah, enjoy.
Okay, cheers.
See you,
Cheers,
mate.
gents.
Bye.
Bye.